Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement, and the lessons we're going to start with is area of complex figures, area between two rectangles, relationship between area and parameter, word problems. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is area of complex figures. So let's just start with the first lesson. Parameter, let's just start with the first lesson, that is parameter. Okay, we need to calculate the parameter of the figure. Got it? So let's just calculate the coordinates. Got it? One, you just simply count the blocks. That is an easier way. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? This way we calculated the length of the sides. Got it? So the length of the sides are, opposite sides are equal in length. Got it? Here you have 5. Here you have 5. Here you have 4 and here you have 4. You have to calculate the parameter. For the parameter, we have to do length time width. Got it? This is the rectangle. And for the parameter, we have to add all the side lengths. Simply add them. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. So when you add them, it makes 18. Got it? So the correct option is 18. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. Okay, the next one is, what is parameter? You have to calculate the parameter. Got it? So let's just calculate the length the same way I did on the tutorial. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. 1, 2. All the side lengths are equal 4. Got it? So for the parameter, you have to add all the side lengths. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So when you add them, they make 16. Got it? That means the correct option is 16. So it would be 16. The correct option is 16. Got it? The correct option is 16. Okay, what is the parameter? It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would be 5. Again 5, and here you have 9. For the next 2 or 3 weeks, I would start early, 10 minutes early. Got it? So you can note down the time for the next 2 weeks. Got it? Because it's, so let's just add for the parameter, you have to add all side lengths. So it would be b equals 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5. It would be 10 and plus 18, 28. Got it? When you add them, it makes 28. So the correct option is 28. So the correct option is 28. Got it? What is the parameter? You have to calculate the length. You can simply count the blocks. Got it? It would be 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3. Here you have 3. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you have 8 and here you have 8. So for the parameter, what you have to do, you simply need to add all the side lengths. It would be 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3. Got it? So it would be 16 and 6. That would be 22. That means the parameter for this rectangle is 22. Got it? So the correct option is 22. Got it? So let's just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the parameter? So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you have 8, 8 and 9. So for the parameter, you need to add all the side lengths. 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. So 9 plus 9 is 18 and 8 plus 8 is 16. When you add them, 8 plus 6 is 14, 34. Got it? Yes, hi Christina. Sorry, I forgot your name. It would be 34. So the correct option is 34. Okay, Armin, I think. Okay, so you need to calculate the parameter. What do you have to do for the parameter? Just calculate the side lengths and then you have to add all the side lengths. Got it? So for this one, you have to calculate the blocks. Okay, Aaron. I think your Aaron is your brother. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. Here you have 4. 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3 and here you have 3. So you have to add all the side lengths for parameter. Got it? So just add 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3. Got it? So it would be 8 and 6, 14. So the parameter is 14. Got it? So the correct option is 14. So that means the parameter is 14. Got it? Basically, for the parameter, what you have to do, you simply need to add all the side lengths. Got it? What is the difference here? You just have to calculate the lengths earlier because the figures is on the graph paper. You have to calculate their side lengths. How do you calculate their side lengths? You just have to calculate the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have 5. Here you have 4, and because they are the rectangles, rectangles are rectangles are have opposite sides equal in length. You have to just add them. We are working on grade 4 maths. The chapter we are working on is geometric measurements, and the lesson we are working on is parameter. Grade 4 maths, geometric measurement chapter, and the lesson is parameter. So for the parameter, you just have to add all the side lengths. 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. So it would be 10 plus 4, that would be 18. Got it? So the correct option is 18. Yes. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? Okay. The next lesson is area of complex figures. Okay, now we're going to calculate the area of the complex figures. So how do we calculate? Basically, the complex figures are made up of the 2 or 3 figures. Got it? So you just divide the figures into 2, 3 parts and then you have to calculate the area parameter. Got it? You have to calculate the area of the figure. Got it? So just divide the figure into 2 shapes. Just make a line over here. Got it? It would be now 2 shapes. One of them, this is shape 1 and this is shape 2. So you have to calculate the area of both the shapes. Got it? So for this one, we know the side lengths. This would be a rectangle. So calculate the area of the rectangle, both the rectangles separately, and then add them. Got it? So I'm going to calculate the area of the longer one. Got it? So the area is length time width. It would be 2 times 14. That would be 28. and the area of the smaller one, this is 6, this length is also 6. The area of the 2 is 6 times 2, that would be 12. So the area of the complete shape, you need to add both the areas. Got it? It would be 28 plus 12, 40. Hold on, I will explain in detail again. It would be 40. Basically, what we have done, we have divided the shape into two parts. Got it? The larger one and the smaller one. I just made a line over here. If you look at the figure carefully, you can convert it into two rectangles. Got it? Because we know that this complete length from here to here is 14 miles. Got it? If this is 6, 8 plus 6 makes 14. Then that would be 6. Got it? So just calculate the area of the larger rectangle and then the smaller. This would be the larger rectangle, A1, and this would be the smaller. So you need to calculate the area of the larger one. It has the measurements 14 and 2. For the area, you have to multiply length time width. It would be 14 times 2, that would be 28. Then look at the smaller one. It has the side length 6 and 2. So it would be then 6 times 2, and that makes 12. So to calculate the complete area, you just have to add both the areas. It would be 28 plus 12, that would be 40. Got it? So whenever you have the complex shapes, divide them into two smaller shapes and calculate the area. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself later today. Got it? Is there any problem till now? Okay, just look at this shape. What I don't have to say. Okay, let's just divide this figure into two parts. Got it? Here you have two of the rectangles. Got it? It would be 5, the complete length. 3 plus 2 makes 5. It would be then 5. Got it? This is 2, then this is 2. One of them is a square and one of them is a rectangle. Got it? Let's just calculate the areas for both the figures. For the rectangle, you have to do the area of the rectangle, you have to do length time width. Here you have 4. It is 4 again. Got it? So it would be 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. That would be the area of the rectangle. For the square, you have to do 4 times side. Got it? It would be 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So for the complete area of the complete shape, you need to add the area of the rectangle and area of the square. It would be 20 times 8 and 20 times, 20 plus 8. Not 20 plus 8 is 28. Got it? So the area of this shape is 28. Got it? 24? Wait, hold on. 5 times 4 is 20, and side times side. Sorry, the area of the square must be side times side. Let me just do again. This one is 3, this is 2. This is 2 and this is 4. So the area of the rectangle is 4 times 5, that would be 20. And the area of the square is side times side. It would be 2 times 2, that would be 4. So when you add them, it would be area of rectangle and area of square, you have to add, it would be 20 plus 4, that would be 24. Got it? So the correct option is 24. So the correct option is 20. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So calculating the area of the shapes is not difficult. You just have to understand the shape. That is the one we did in the tutorial, isn't it? So just divide the figure into two parts because you have all the side lengths. This is 14. This is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. This is 2. So this is 2 and this is 2. Just calculate the area of both the shapes. Got it? Both are the rectangles. I am going to write down the rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. So the area of the rectangle 1 is length time width. It would be 14 times 2. That would be 28. The area of the smaller rectangle is 6 times 2. It would be 6 times 2 equals 12. If you don't know how to calculate the side lengths, like this one, the complete length is 14. If up till now this is 8, so 8 plus 6 is 14. The rest of them is 6. Got it? So for the complete area, just add both the area of both the shades. It would be 28 plus 12. That would be 40. Got it? So here you have the correct option is 40. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can just write down the question in the chat box. I can answer all your questions. Okay, the next one is you can divide into two shapes. The length of this is 9. Here you have 6. So here you have 3. Got it? So you have to calculate area of two shapes. 9. This one is 9. This one is 8 because 9 plus 8 makes 17. Got it? So you have to calculate area of this rectangle. 1 or area of this. This is square, not the rectangle. Got it? So it would be 8 times 3. When you calculate the area of this rectangle, area of rectangle, it would be 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. And when you calculate the area of square, it would be 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Just add them, it would make 105. Not 103. 81 plus 24 is 105. Got it? Any problem with the calculating the areas of the complex figure? If you have any, you can just write down the question in the chat box. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to the next lesson. Okay, let's just do one more. So here you have 5, so here you have 4. So one of them is a square. 11, 7. Okay, one of them is square and one of them is rectangle. So area of the square is side times side. That would be 4 times 4. It would be 16. Area of the rectangle is 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. You just have to add, yes, it would be 79. Got it? The correct option is 79. If you have any question with the topic, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So it would be 79. Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is area between two rectangles. So let's just start with the next lesson, that is area between two rectangles. Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? Basically, you have to calculate the area that is just the colored one, not the one white one. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the areas of both the shapes and just subtract this one. Got it? So to calculate the area of a figure with the hole in it, subtract the area of the inner shape from the area of the outer shape. Got it? Because we just need to calculate the area of the outer shape, so we have to subtract the area of the inner shape. Got it? We know that both of them are the rectangles, so let's just calculate their areas. It would be side times side. So the area for the larger one is area of this one, the colored one. Got it? It would be 8 times 5. That would be 40. And the area of the white one, it would be 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? So just subtract. It would be 40 minus 6. That would be 34. That means the area of only this shape is 34. Not this one is not included. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. Basically, you need to calculate the area of the red colored shape. Got it? Just the colored one. This one is not required. The whole is not required. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the area of both the shapes. Then you need to subtract the area of shaded one out of the white. This way you can get the area of this one. Got it? Listen to me carefully. You need to calculate the area of the shaded region, the red color. You have to, what we have to do? We have to calculate the area of both the shapes, the colored one and the white one. And then we are going to Then we're going to subtract the area of this shape. Got it? So let's just calculate the area of red shape, the bigger shape. Got it? The area of red one. It would be 6 times 5, that is 30. Got it? Then the area of the white shape is 2 times 1, that would be 2. Now for the area of the shaded region, what you have to do, subtract the area of the greater shape minus the area of the white shape. It would be 30 minus 2, that would be 28. Got it? Yes, it is 28. Very good. So it would be 28. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to calculate the area of the shaded region. So to calculate the area of the shaded region, what we have to do? We have to calculate the area of the shaded region. You have to calculate the area of the greater one and the area of the smaller one. Then you have to subtract them. Let's just calculate the area of the greater shape. It would be 6 times 6. That would be 36. Got it? To calculate the areas, you need to do length time width. Got it? It would be 6 and 6. So that is 36. Now let's just calculate the area of the smaller. Again, it is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 makes 4. You need to calculate, just subtract the areas. Area of the shaded region is 36 minus 4. Yes, that would be 32. Got it? So the correct option is 32. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can ask. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Yes, it is 32. So the correct option is 32. Okay. So again, we have to calculate the area of the bigger shape. It would be 8 times 5, that is 40. Then the area of the smaller shape, that would be 2 times 3, that would be 6. So the area of the shaded region is 40 minus 6, that would be 34. Got it, everyone? Aaron, you have any question? Yes, you can ask question if you have any. I don't know your name. Your username is NK Gaming. You can ask question if you have any. So the correct option is 34, not 36. The correct option is 34. Okay, the next one is just calculate the area of the greater rectangle. It would be, I'm going to name it rectangle 1. Got it? This would be the rectangle 2. Let's just calculate the area of rectangle 1. That would be length time width. 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Got it? Then we're going to calculate the area of the rectangle 2. That would be 3 times 3. That would be 9. So for the area of shaded region, you have to subtract the area of rectangle 1 minus area of rectangle 2. Got it? You don't understand? Okay, let me explain again. Basically, you just have to calculate area of the shaded region, not the white one. But the white shape is inside the shaded, inside the colored shape, isn't it? So you have to calculate the area of the bigger rectangle. That would be length. We can calculate the areas by length time width. The length is 9, the width is 9. It would be 9 times 9 is 81. Got it? And same way you have to calculate the, someone call you name. My name is Maria. Okay, for the smaller one, you have to calculate the length of this, the area of the smaller. It would be 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Got it? Now you don't need the area of wide shape. inside the green one. So subtract the area of the white shape out of the greater one. Got it? The greater one has the area 81 and the smaller one has the area 9. So 81 minus 9 is 72. Matthew, what do you mean by why? Because here what is the area of the shaded region? You just need the area of the green colored portion. Got it? Matthew, can you please repeat your question? Matthew, please repeat your question. So the area for this shape is 72. Just unless read the question here. What is the area of the shaded region? Just the colored one. We just need to calculate the area of the blue part. Got it? Matthew, please just don't write why. I don't get your questions. You just need to calculate the area of the blue color. You need to exclude the area of white color. Got it? So you need to calculate the area of both the, it would be the rectangle 1 and it would be the rectangle 2. Let's just calculate the areas for both the rectangles. Area of rectangle 1 is 8 times 5, that would be 40. Area of rectangle 2 is 4 times 2, that would be 8. Matthew, just write the question please. So the area of the shaded region would be 40 minus 8, that would be 32. Basically, the question is you need to calculate the area of shaded region, just the blue color one. This one you need to exclude. Got it? So that would be 32. The correct option is 32. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can just write down the question. I will explain again. So you need to calculate the area of the blue color. Just calculate it would be square 1 and square 2. Just calculate the area of square 1. It would be 7 times 7, 49. Then calculate the area of square 2. That would be 3 times 3. That would be 9. So you need to calculate the area of just blue region. You need to exclude the white one. Got it? It would be then area of square 1 minus the area of square 2. It would be 49 minus 9. That would be just 40. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 40. It would be 40. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is a relationship between area and perimeter. Now we're going to learn the relationship between the area of and perimeter. Got it? They are related, two related terms. Got it? The area of a surface of a workbook is 63. The perimeter is 32. What is the dimensions of the workbook? Got it? So we know that the area is length time width. Got it? And the perimeter is the sum of all four sides. So you need to find two numbers that have the product 63, and when you add them it makes 32. Got it? So 63. Let's just start with the test. They are already solved. So you can start. Okay. A rectangular front porch has a perimeter of 62 feet. It has the area 228. What is the dimensions of the porch? So you are given two of the options. You can check which option has the perimeter 62 and the area 228. The parameter is you have to add all the four sides, side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 and plus side 4. And for the area you need to multiply length time width. Got it? These are the basically parameter and area. Okay, let's check 12 and 19. Multiply 12 times 19. Let's see which is the correct option. 12 times 19 is 228. Got it? And when you add all the sides length, let's see if it is say 62 12 plus 12 plus 19 plus 19. Let me just add. So when you add them, 12 plus 12 plus 19 plus 19, that would be 62. Got it? That means the correct option is option number 1. Got it? When you add them, it makes 62, and when you multiply them, it makes 228. So option number 1 is the correct option. These are the two very important things you have to learn about this lesson. Got it? So it would be 20, 12 plus 19, that would be 12, and 19 is the correct option. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is a rectangular piece of plastic has the area of 90. Area is length time width and has a parameter of 38. That means you need to add all the side lengths. Got it? So what is the dimension? Okay, 10 times 9 is 90. Got it? Let's check for the area. 10 and 9. 10 times 9 is 90, and let's them add 10 plus 10 plus 9 plus 9, because they are the rectangles. Rectangles has opposite two sides equal in length. Got it? That means it makes 38. So the correct option is 9 mm by 10 mm. Got it? Can you guys do me a favor? Just go to Facebook, find our page. That would be A plus students. You can just write a review for the online sessions there. That would be a very great favor from you to me. You just have to write down the reviews on the live sessions. Please do this whenever you have the time. Got it? You can ask your parents if you don't have. They have Facebook. They can write a review for you. Okay. The area of the surface of our workbook is 63 square inches. The parameter is 32. What is the dimension of the workbook? Which is the correct option? It's okay if you don't have. You can ask your parents to write a review for you on the Facebook. Okay, which is the correct option? Which option have the area 63 and parameter 32? Yes, it would be the second one, because 7 times 9 makes 36, 63. So that would be the correct option. Got it? Okay, which is the correct option? A diving board has a parameter of 40. Its area is 36. What is the dimensions of a diving board? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That would be the second one. Got it? Because 2 times 18 makes 36. So that would be the second one. Not the first one. 2 times 8 makes 16, but area is 36. Area is length time width. So 18 times 2 makes 36. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is area and parameter word problems. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. Got it? Okay. Each side of a square postage stamp is 2 inches long. What is the stamp's area? So the shape is square. Got it? We all know square has all four sides equal in length. 2, 2, 2, 2. So what is the area of the square? Area of the square is side times side. Got it? So it would be 2 times 2. So which is the correct option? Got it? Square is a shape that has all four sides equal in length. Got it? So it will be 2 times 2 and this area of the square is 4. Got it, everyone? The correct option is option number 1. The correct option is 4. Okay. A rectangular dining room is 3 meters wide and 7 meters long. So rectangle has opposite two sides equal in length. This is 7, this is 7, this is 3, this is 3. Area of the rectangle is length time width. Got it? It would be, no one is answering. Length time width, it would be 3 times 7. So 3 times 7 is, yes, that would be 21. So the correct option is 21. Got it, everyone? Thank you for the compliment. You made my day. Thank you so much. It would be 21. It would be a great player if you write the same review on the Facebook. Okay, the next one is the rectangular price tag is 7 centimeter tall and 10 centimeter wide. What is its area? Again, that's a rectangular shape. So rectangular has all opposite two sides equal in length. If this is 7, this is 3. So which is the correct option? You need to do 7 and 10, sorry. This is 10 and 7. Got it? So you need to calculate the area. Area is length time width. That would be 10 times 7 and 10 times 7 is 70. Very good. The correct option is 70. It would be 70. Very good. Okay, a square calendar has a that are 7 inches long. What is the calendar's area? Which is the correct option? Which is the calendar's area? Yes, that would be 49. Got it? That is a square. So square has side times side. That would be 49. Okay, a square coffee shop has sides that are 8 meter long. What is the coffee shop's area? Yes, that would be 64. Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 4 maths. And the chapters we are working on is the chapter we are working on is geometric measurement. The lessons we have covered today are these are the lessons we have covered today. They are perimeter, area of complex figures, area between two rectangles, area and perimeter, relationship between area and perimeter, and then area and perimeter word problems. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.